Good morning, Morris. Hi. Is that good stuff? Hi. Hello, bud. Good boy. He's come such a long way. It's going to be in the 60s here today. I've got sun. Seems calm skies. And it's going to be a nice day. I'll get out here and go for a walk as soon as I'm done with kitty stuff. Marty and Stripe are waiting at the back door this morning like usual, and Stripe is still in the house, snoozing on the Lego bin. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. And no walkabouts this morning with Stripe still in the house, at least not yet. I noticed the Mahonia about center right there is flowering out. It'll have purple grape looking berries on it. Yeah, you could be confused that it's a spring morning today. It's a little bit milky white out there, but definite sun. And warm temps. I don't know why they carry the food away from the food bowl and then eat it and then come back to the food bowl for more. There must be a reason why that works. I heard you jump right as I came. You okay? Good girl. Jules is looking fine this morning, and the guys are over here in the lot parked and ready to start working. There's still temporary stuff on this pole and the other pole across the street there, and they've been up behind the steelworks, ironworks place. That line that comes into our neighborhood back in through there, that's where they've been doing stuff last few days. Well, they're set up down there. We're gonna walk the other side of the road. There's a lot of liquor debris again. I know these mom and pop stores work really hard, are living for their family, but sometimes I wish we would just close them. Yeah, people need gas, but the sugar, the alcohol, the cigarettes, the lottery tickets, the stuff beyond the gas is just, none of it's doing us any good.
Well, you know, I totally want people to do that. I just don't want them to, you know, when they're done with it, throw it away and have me deal with it.
Right, but I guess my point would be, since they aren't doing that, can't doing that, yeah, don't seem like they're going to do that anytime soon.
Nobody's going to change, that's right.
So, that being the case, yeah. I'd just rather them not have the ability, I guess. Is that an Oreo something?
Yeah, Oreo milkshake.
For real, Oreo milkshake.
Yeah, really good one.
Wow, I like Oreo cookies. I'm just sitting here on the back step for a minute. Oh, Marty, you're a fool. Tux, hi, honey. You poor thing. Tux is innocent. Innocent. Come here, Tux. Poor boy. Come here, Tux. Come on. Oh, poor boy. Wow. Thank you, Tux, for not taking Marty out. I don't know how Marty gets away with that, because I can assure you there is no one else that would get away with that. He climbed up here by himself. He's fine. You enjoy your sun, buddy, and don't cause Morris any problems. Morris didn't jump. I managed to not totally freak him out. He's such a skittish boy. So I'm headed to Harris Teeter to buy chicken. Chicken for the kitties. I can't wait till Dawn can take me tomorrow. Yeah, I didn't have Dawn swap cars for me for a trip just up to Harris Teeter. Okay. People on the left of me, excuse me, were being silly, and this is just all backed up here anyway. They're working here, but not at the intersection. They're basically putting in big cement pipe over here underground on the side of the road on the left side. They had a huge trench dug up yesterday, and Yeah, I would say it's sewer stuff, but I can't be 100% sure. Really large culvert things, and you can kind of see the cement over there. So, because the whole project here goes all the way down to this neighborhood, sidewalk wise and stuff, so it's a pretty big undertaking. I'll think about which way I want to come back. Probably go through town and not come on Judd Parkway, which is what I'm on right now. Although I doubt it's much more than a 5-minute delay at most. I really don't like this parking lot, and you know, it's just a Friday morning at 11 a.m. and it's packed, absolutely packed. All I could do is put me correctly in the spot and hope for the best. Everywhere you look in the store, there are Valentine's Day balloons. They are very ready. These bears, super cute. Put the cargo net temporarily back, and I think it actually should do a pretty darn good job of not letting stuff move around back here. My immediate plan after finishing the loop coaster was to build this Ferris wheel. I built one Ferris wheel before that's a little smaller. This one's a little bigger. This was a clearance pickup at Walmart a year or two ago. Like Johnny was still doing Taekwondo time frame. So it's been waiting for the next time I put up amusement park stuff on the table, which tends to be summertime or whenever I do it. So this is 1,002 pieces, so it should go together pretty quick. It's 3-in-1, which means you could choose to build this bumper thing or this other ride. I guess there's 2 other rides here, but I'm gonna do the Ferris wheel. Yeah, there's the back side of the box, so you can see the bumper cars better here with the little... I've built a little bumper car thing before. Not that this one's not nice, but I've built one with these flat tiles so that the Lego cars slide around on it better. And this is just some sort of a back and forth kind of a kiddie ride. But, you know, next to the loop coaster, I need something more sizable. It won't be as big as the loop coaster, but it'll be, you know, big enough. You know, I hear a lot of people saying that they don't like online building instructions, that they really want paper, like they won't buy mocks off of Bricklink because they need the paper instructions. I actually prefer to build online, but maybe my satisfaction is better because I have a computer and the screen is at a good angle and the distance from here is not, even with my reading glasses, is not too far. Like occasionally I have to get really close to see something if it's brown on brown or whatever, but most of the time it's good. So I have the book because I have the box, and I'm not going to use the book. You can also, I mean, they have an app to do it on your phone or on a tablet, but I just Google the Lego, the number of the set, instructions, and the first link is always the right link, and I just go from there. You can see it's got 5 bag numbers, and 1 through 3 pretty much get the coaster up, and then 4 and 5 are probably adding cars and decorations and some stuff. I don't know. Anyway, let's start with bag 1 and see how it goes. All right, well, let's step back for half a second. These are 16 by 16 square plates, so 16 by 32, and that's on a Mills plate, so this should probably go on a Mills plate. I have to say, now that I use the dark green over there, this is light green. These are dark green plates. I don't think I have 2 dark green 16 by 16s. I don't think so. You know, I went the other day and pulled out all the extras I had of all the greens except for lime green. I didn't pull out the lime green or the olive green. The funky greens, I pulled out the shades of grass. I don't know if I care about that or not, but I'm going to think about it for just a second. I'm probably going to throw together a Mills plate since that one is raised, and raise this one too. The Ferris wheel is coming along quite nicely, and dinner's done. Dinner sure was good, and I've deboned the chicken and done final kitty feedings, and I'm going to finish bag 2 and probably do bag 3 on the coaster. I mean the Ferris wheel. Well, there it is. I was a little surprised that there's 8 carts and it's groups of 2 of the same color. It's probably not how I would have designed it. Every other one is stick to 2 colors, or I don't know. Anyway, I did it how they had it. And they only decorated this side. The back side is not decorated. I probably would have decorated both sides. Not that I couldn't go add that decoration, I guess, if I wanted to, but it's not on there. Yeah, Stripe is super needy right now. Go down for just a few more minutes, bud. So, lots of cute little balloons in this set that you build, doggies and other critters. And then there's this doggy, I guess, is walking in the amusement park with this guy. Last I knew, they wouldn't let doggies in the amusement park, but he's cute as can be. And this lady selling tickets in here. There's 2 people on the roller coaster, on the Ferris wheel. So obviously it could use a few more people on the actual coaster, a few more minifigures. I guess probably if I had it to do all over again, this crank really has to be over an open space or you can't crank it. That's how it works. And it is pretty nice that it goes one-handed. Some of the carts sometimes get a little bent gravity-wise, not falling over quite as much as I'd like, but not too bad. Stripe, I do love you. You are such a good boy. But if you could let me please just have 5 more minutes before I adorn you with affection, that would be really nice. Anyway, the cars get a little sideways sometimes, but I guess maybe they do that in the real Ferris wheel also. Come on, bud. Down. If I had to do it all over again, though, I think I would build a bigger base plate because I really don't like it when all these extra things don't fit. Oh, goodness, it's going on 8 o'clock, and I'm tired, and I'm having patience for you, but still, you know, just because no, and double no. He's the only cat that he doesn't listen. He just doesn't like to listen. I'd like to maybe have had a bigger bed. It doesn't preclude me from building another one just like this one. And okay, I give up now. And sticking it beside it and putting other stuff on. I went with the teal for the stripe on the side of the Mills plate because that was the color of the arches and I didn't have enough of the bright orange. So anyway, maybe could use a few more plants, but it's done.